Hong Kong is a city that truly never sleeps, a dizzying blend of massive skyscrapers, ancient temples, and some of the best food you will ever eat in your life. Whether you're here for the neon-lit streets of Kowloon or the quiet mountain trails of the outlying islands, this city offers a contrast like nowhere else on Earth. Today, we are counting down the top 10 must-visit places and activities that need to be on your Hong Kong itinerary to make the most of this vertical metropolis. Before we get into the countdown, make sure to grab the free travel planner available in the description below. It is completely free and makes organizing your trip so much easier, featuring dedicated sections for your flights, transport, accommodation, budget planning, and even a full packing list. Number 10. Central Market and the Mid-Levels Escalators. Starting at number 10, we have a perfect mix of heritage and modern urban life. The recently revitalized Central Market is a 1930s-era landmark that has been transformed into a chic hub for local food, crafts, and culture. It's the perfect place to grab a snack before hopping onto the mid-levels escalators right outside. This is the world's longest outdoor covered escalator system, stretching over 800 meters uphill. It's a fascinating way to see the city's daily life, passing through historic neighborhoods, trendy boutiques, and the famous Soho dining district. Number 9. Man Mo Temple. Tucked away among the towering glass offices of Sheung Wan is the serene Man Mo Temple. Built in the 1840s, it is one of the oldest and most atmospheric temples in the city. As you step inside, the first thing you'll notice is the thick, sweet scent of incense from the giant coils hanging from the ceiling. It's dedicated to the gods of literature and war, and watching locals offer prayers amidst the red and gold decor provides a beautiful, quiet moment of reflection right in the heart of the city. Number 8. West Kowloon Cultural District. For a more modern vibe, head over to the West Kowloon Cultural District. This massive waterfront park is home to world-class museums like M+, which focuses on contemporary visual culture, and the Hong Kong Palace Museum. Even if you aren't a museum buff, the art park here offers some of the best unobstructed views of the Hong Kong island skyline. It's a favorite spot for locals to rent bikes or have a sunset picnic while watching the lights flicker on across the harbor. Number 7. Temple Street Night Market. As the sun goes down, Temple Street in Kowloon comes alive with energy. This is the quintessential Hong Kong night market experience. You can browse through hundreds of stalls selling everything from electronics to traditional tea sets, but the real highlight is the street food. Sit down at a Da Pai Dong, an open-air food stall, and try some spicy garlic crab or clay pot rice. Between the fortune tellers and the occasional street opera singer, the atmosphere here is absolutely electric. Number 6. Lian Garden and Lian Nunnery. If you need a break from the skyscrapers, this is the place to go. The Lian Nunnery is a stunning wooden temple complex built without a single iron nail, designed in the style of the Tang dynasty. Right across from it is the Lian Garden, a meticulously landscaped space with golden pavilions, koi ponds, and perfectly manicured bonsai trees. It is incredibly peaceful and feels like stepping back in time, despite being surrounded by high-rise apartments. Before we get into the top 5, make sure to check the description below for everything you'll need for the perfect trip, including links to all the places and activities mentioned in this video. I've also included a link for a Wise card, which is the absolute best way to handle your spending, and get the best exchange rates when paying for things overseas. Number 5. Dragon's Back Hike. Most people think of Hong Kong as just a concrete jungle, but about 40% of the territory is actually country park. The Dragon's Back is the city's most famous hike for a reason. It's relatively easy and offers spectacular ridgeline views of the southern coastline and the South China Sea. The trail ends at Big Wave Bay, where you can reward yourself with a dip in the ocean and a fresh seafood lunch at a beachside cafe. Number 4. Tian Buddha and Ngong 360. Located on Lantau Island, the Tian Buddha, better known as the Big Buddha, is a massive bronze statue that sits majestically atop a mountain. To get there, you'll take the Ngong 360 cable car, which offers a 25-minute scenic journey over the lush hills and the sea. Once you arrive, you can climb the 268 steps to the base of the statue and visit the nearby Polin Monastery. It's a spiritual and visual highlight that feels worlds away from the city center. Number 3. Star Ferry across Victoria Harbour. This is a classic Hong Kong experience that costs less than $1 but offers a $1 million view. The Star Ferry has been shuttling passengers between Kowloon and Hong Kong Island since the late 1800s. The 10-minute ride gives you a front-row seat to one of the most iconic skylines in the world. It's best taken just before 8 p.m., so you can be on the water or just arriving at the pier as the city begins its nightly light show. Number 2. Tsui Promenade and Symphony of Lights. The Tsui waterfront is where you go for that postcard-perfect view of the city. Walk along the Avenue of Stars to see the handprints of movie legends like Jackie Chan and the famous statue of Bruce Lee. At 8 p.m. every night, the buildings across the harbor participate in the Symphony of Lights, a coordinated display of lasers and LED screens set to music. It's a high-tech celebration of the city's energy that you shouldn't miss. And finally, number 1. Victoria Peak and the Peak Tram. Taking the number 1 spot is the ultimate Hong Kong landmark, Victoria Peak. The ride up on the historic Peak Tram is an experience in itself, as the skyscrapers appear to lean at impossible angles while you climb the steep slope. Once you reach the top, the view from the Sky Terrace 428 is breathtaking, offering a bird's-eye perspective of the entire harbor and the mountains beyond. For a quieter experience, take the Peak Circle Walk, a flat, shaded path that offers 360-degree views of the island and the glittering sea. To help you plan, the best time to visit is from October to December, when the weather is cool, dry, and sunny. At the lower end, you can expect to pay around $95 per day while staying in guest houses or hostels and enjoying the world-class street food, while a more luxury traveler can start at $500 per day for 5-star harbor view hotels and fine dining. Your main expenses will be accommodation and food, as public transport via the Octopus card is incredibly affordable and efficient, making it easy to see the whole city on any budget. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell to get notified every time I release a new video. Thanks for watching and enjoy your trip to Hong Kong.